Learn a lesson from Sudan. They began to fight each other. Look, belittling whatever they might have been doing. Dispute, and the dispute spilled over. Such an amazing country with such beautiful people, with such loving souls. The public does not deserve a droplet of what happened between the giants when they started fighting each other. The country is destroyed. I'm talking of past tense. And still they are fighting. We need to learn a lesson. Don't ever allow anyone to make you do something like that. Learn to respect each other, even with difference. And it's a good example because we pray for them. May Allah grant them a good understanding and may Allah help them to stop this war. It is senseless. People are dying. Imagine human beings